Hello, this is your Congressman Michael Burgess. Another busy week wraps up in Washington, and I wanted to provide you with an update on what's been happening. First, Congress passed a 2-week continuing resolution that will avoid a government shutdown, and it will reduce spending. It is imperative over these next 2 weeks the Senate review and vote on the continuing resolution that the House passed in February that includes the largest reduction in discretionary spending in the history of our nation. Second, after almost a year of the health care overhaul, Secretary Sebelius attended her first hearing on Capitol Hill. I am puzzled as to why it was that the Secretary had not come before the committee since early February of last year. I am even more concerned that since her last trip to Capitol Hill, the largest and most invasive health care legislation passed, and this is the first time that she has testified before the committee on the law. Needless to say, there were several items I wanted to discuss with her during the hearing. The cost of care as a result of the new law, the lack of oversight since the law was signed, and all of the expanding programs. You know, it all leads to this simple truth: Americans will pay more and get less. I also wanted to know how Judge Vincent's ruling in Florida will affect how the Secretary implements the law. A final fact: Secretary Sebelius has more authority than any cabinet member has ever had in the history of our country. It's no wonder that people are suspicious as to how she will exercise that power and how she will keep Congress informed. It's been a year since the law passed, there's been little or no communication, and that's just not good. While I wasn't able to get all of my questions answered, I have asked her to submit responses in writing, and I look forward to receiving those in the near future. You can view the video from the hearing on my website. For more information on the issues, other issues that I've discussed, and other legislative issues before Congress, please visit my website at burgess.house.gov. Thanks for listening.